Traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another naked chart trading. I will do a put here. Another naked chart trading, binary option trading without indicator, price action trading without indicator video, where I'm going to show you how to trade those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook, based or without any kind of indicator. So get this ebook. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So I have done this put here because I saw already here the selling pressure based on those coins of VIX, and that was the reason why I entered into a put, and I will enter again into a put because I see here strong selling pressure still active. Yes, that there are still sellers coming in this kind of context, and that's the reason why I'm doing a trend continuation. Yes, so let me draw some Fibonacci level to understand where this selling pressure will be this finish. So here we have the 50 level, here we have the 60. Yes, and that is already the area where I would expect now that buyers will come in. Yes, so let's see if I'm right. I wait. Yes, it goes up. Yes, yes, but this looks not good. Yes, okay, this looks still selling pressure active. I will do a put here, yes, because I'm sure that price will continue to going down because the selling pressure is not over. Buyers tried to push the price up, were not able to do this, and that's the reason why I'm entering here into a put, because I'm expecting that this candle will close below the 61.8 Fibonacci level or close to the 61.8 Fibonacci level. That's the reason why I have entered here a little bit above the closing price of the previous candle to get a margin of safety for the case that it will be a doji or something like this, because you see the buyers and the sellers are fighting here. Yes, and it was not so clear, and that should always your aim to get above or below the previous candle closing price into a trade, only to get this kind of margin of safety. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.